So the first thing you're going to do is take the end of your Plarn and hold it in your hand, pinching it to your palm with your thumb, and then you're just going to wrap it around your hand till you reach the end of the Plarn. Once you reach the end of your Plarn, you're going to push the plastic closer onto your fingers rather than your palm so that you can wrap your fishing line around the entire circumference of your wrapped up Plarn. This will allow you to tie a knot that will cause a sort of corseted effect around the pom-pom. This will form the core structure of your pom-pom. So make sure to tie it tightly, and with fishing line I recommend a double knot to stop it from coming loose. Once you've started tying the knot, you will be able to slide it off of your hand so that tying a knot will be easier. Once your knot is tied, cut off any excess of the fishing line. Take your scissors and take them through each of the two-sided sides of the pom-pom through the loops to essentially cut through it so that you, instead of having a loop, will have some straight cut edges. And then all you will need to do is essentially manhandle your pom-pom until it no longer looks like a sort of tube of Plarn, but more like a ball.